All right, so this is a special edition of the WrightSight, something a little unusual. I'm in Alabama, Becky and I are, and we ran across a beekeeper, and
Hello?
he's going to try to rescue some bees today.
Yeah, what happened, I got a phone call this morning from a lady in Houston, Texas, and she said that her mother had a bunch of bees in her backyard here and out in Huntsville, and she wanted me to go and see if I could rescue these bees. And so they're in a bird feeder where the squirrel prevention mechanism is. They're up there some way, and we're gonna go in there and see if we can find the queen and get them into another little hive and then move them to another location later on.
So, sounds like a super interesting, cool thing.
Yeah.
And I know nothing about beekeeping, like this is like a bee screen or something.
It's actually a bee frame. It's a frame. It's a frame. And it's old. It's old, and I just brought that just in case I need to attach some comb to an open frame with some rubber bands. I'm just going to take them out there, and then that way I can move them into my hive.
All right, so let's go in the backyard and
All right. So
see if we can find some bees.
Yeah, let's do it.
Go.
Oh my goodness. This is beautiful.
Let me see.
If they start coming out, you better back off.
Oh, wow. That is a lot bigger than I thought.
Yeah.
Look at that. Wow.
All right.
Look. Is there... Wow. A lot of bees in there.
All right, here comes the first one.
Here it comes. Ooh, look at all those bees. Yeah, definitely.
Find the queen. She's probably way down there. You know what?
Can you dump it? Oh, look at that.
Oh, yeah. Oh, look at that.
Wow.
So, in a minute I'm going to shake them. But I'm going to try and attach these first. And when I shake them out, they will start flying crazy. These are the worker bees. And I've got a bunch in there. I think the queen may be in there. I hate to shake her. I'm going to try and reach in there and grab some and just kind of scoop them out in a minute. But first thing I'm going to do is try and attach these cones to this hive. Right.
What do you call it? Right here in your house?
Yeah, they'll make all the comb here. That's actually pretty good, but a couple more rubber bands will be helpful. Okay. So just for your information, I'm about to disturb them more.
Back up.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
You ought to see there's
Yeah.
a ton of bees back in there.
Yeah, oh yeah. The queen's down here, I'm sure. I'm trying to see if I can some way.
Wait before you do that. Oh, wow.
Now, if that queen...
Some of these guys got honey all over them. They're like, what in the world is going on? They're very calm at this point. They're not being too aggressive on me.
Yeah, you can see them going inside the box.
They're going in there. That's the wrong place to go in.
Oh,
That's the screen.
oh, that's the screen.
Well, they got it. Oh, I better. No. They're trying to get in there. There's a screen. This is the front entrance. These guys will figure it out soon. That you come in around this way. They'll communicate with each other and start figuring it out.
So do they go in and out of it a lot?
In the daytime,
Yeah.
but at night they should all come in at dark, and then I'll be able to put a screen on the front and take it off. It doesn't have a hold that, and let me see if I can get one with some more honey.
Not much honey on this one.
That's just going to be chewy.
There's some honey in this one.
Ah, here we go.
Put them together.
Mmm, good.
Isn't that good?
Wow, sweet.
Make sure you don't crunch down on a bee.
I double check to make sure.
Like chewing gum.
Yeah.
Good. Delicious. All right, so that was a unique and really cool RightSight video. One thing I didn't tell you at the beginning, though, the beekeeper is my brother. So, my brother.
The better looking of the two.
You kind of look like twins.
Yeah. So, how successful was it, and what do you do next?
I think it would work out perfectly. The bees are all going into the hive, and so that means the queen is probably there. I didn't see her, but tonight I'm going to come back when all the bees that are flying around gathering stuff, they come back. They're going to find their new home. They're going to go in, and then I'll put a little screen over the entrance, and then I'll take them away. And if you move them over 2 miles away, they'll readjust. They won't come back here. But if I move them next door, they'll all try and come back here.
Huh.
You know, they have to be about 2 miles away. And my apiary is about 10 miles away. So I'll bring them there either early in the morning or tonight and set them up in their new home, and they should be doing great.
That was awesome. So, great way to not kill bees and then have great honey.
Great honey, yes.